Currently on the screen is one or two views from a satellite on Tropical Cyclone Gita, which is a Cat 4 system on the Australian scale. This is the life of the system up to a few hours ago. And I would like to say thank you to Nathan for allowing the AU channel to produce this update. And from looking at the satellite imagery, you can clearly see how well Gita has performed. Earlier this morning, about 12 hours ago, it had a 12 nautical mile radius eye. Joint Typhoon Warning Centre now reports that it has expanded out to 25 nautical miles. Now here's a look at the latest NOAA floaters on the system. Maximum significant wave height at present is 34 feet. And Gita is expected to intensify a little bit further but slowly, and the Joint Typhoon Warning Centre has Gita peaking at 115 knots. A look at total precipitable water. The scale is on the right hand side of the screen. Areas of interest are in pink, and you can definitely see the clockwise motion, which is Gita. And she's currently located 222 nautical miles southwest of Niue, tracking westward at 11 knots over the past 6 hours. Now here's a look at one model and their track, the EPS, and the models have really got their forecasting of this system wrong. The Joint Typhoon Warning Centre's current track chart, and all New Caledonia is now in the cone of uncertainty. For more updated information, you're welcome to monitor the Force 13's Australia Oceania channel. And I would like to send out a special thank you to those who have linked to the channel and supported the site. The Nandi radar, this was recorded a couple of hours ago, the upper level divergence. And we have a look at the wind shear. The red is unfavourable, the green is favourable, the yellow is neutral. But look at that area in red. And it looks like a little bit might be impacting Gita, but the 24-hour shear tendency tropical system flood the area in blue and green. The 850 millibar vorticity, which is one of my favourite items, and you can definitely see that pinkish right to the east-southeast of Gita. And as mentioned, it's located 222 nautical miles southwest of IE, tracking west at 11 knots over the last 6 hours. That's the Joint Typhoon Warning Centre's information. Satellite imagery depicts a well-defined cloud-filled eye, features surrounded by deep convection. The system is in an area of moderate 15 to 25 knot vertical wind shear, tracking through warm 28-29 Celsius sea surface temperatures. And here's the service chart from the Fiji Met Office. They actually have it down to 930 millibars. And the information clearly indicates a Cat 5 system on the Australian scale. This is a live webcam which I recorded. It's on the Queensland New South Wales border at Treat Heads, and this is a chart from the Fiji Met Office, and they have it remaining Cat 5 for a couple of days. .7 degrees south, 172.6 degrees west, and 930 millibars. That's the Fiji Met Office. And winds 105 knots close to the centre, increasing to 115 knots. We will continue to put out updated information. After this one, I'll be looking at a expanded one on the AU channel. This time yesterday afternoon, I was experiencing a severe thunderstorm warning and a Cat 1 cyclonic.
You can follow
winds.
Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com, which has had a revamp and is still under reconstruction, but take a look. Also YouTube, of course, if you haven't subscribed, that might be a good idea. Visit Force 13. We're also on Facebook under the same name, of course, and you can like us on there, and you can also follow us on Twitter. Search Force 13, all in text for those. You can also add Force 13 on Skype or my personal account on Discord, Fool13, at extension 9094.